This washing machine is an 8.5 kilograms Fisher Paykel Smart Model WA 8560G1. This first step is turning this off at the wall and unplugging it. Next, we're going to remove the agitator out or the unit. That's the agitator retaining nut. Now we need to unscrew that. Reach down with your hand and just unscrew it. Once you've unscrewed it, this agitator should be able to just lift out. The next step is to unscrew the top deck on this machine. You can see there are 4 screws at the back of the deck. Just remove the screws. Tilt this top deck backwards. Now I've just got the top deck here tied up with this bungee cord. Before we unclip this neck ring from the outer bowl, we just need to remove this bias spring. This neck ring is just held by these clips here, so we just need to work out a way around the ring and just remove these clips. Now to remove this inner bowl here, what you need to do is just pull it up upwards. The best way to do it is having both hands on opposite sides, and we're just wanting to pull the bowl upwards. Now with this outer bowl removed, we can see a lot of dirt just built up around the outside of it. I'm going to use a water blaster to make this deeply clean. Now the last thing we're going to use the water blaster for is just cleaning off this agitator and neck ring. Now start cleaning out this outer bowl. You've probably noticed there's a ring of dirt pit here. I'm going to use a scraper here, and you can see that that's lifting off easily. The next step is just installing the inner bowl, the agitator, and the refit the agitator retaining nut, remount neck ring, and refit bias spring. Now we've successfully cleaned the inner and outer bowl on this washing machine. The last thing to do is just run a quick wash that'll ensure any dirt that's at the inner bowl and the bottom of the outer bowl is rinsed out of the washing machine. Thank you for watching.